long as it drives.
It's holding fluids, it's got oil, it's got water.
Oh, well.
I think the alternator might be in the bottom of the airbox.
Yeah, or something like that.
The top of the airbox is alright. The bottom's normal, isn't it? So.
Oh, it's a nice thing as well, mind, isn't it? It's lovely.
He's had it from you, hasn't he?
Aye. I was going to say, if you've got something like this, Paul's the place to go, isn't he?
Well, it'll be right, that's the thing. I guarantee you won't tell us.
Nah.
I even count all spot wells, mate, but all spot wells exactly how they should be.
Alright guys, welcome back. You might recognise this car. It was all over the internet a while ago. We've just came down. We're going to try and just get the story straight out with Paul about the car. I must have heard about 5 different stories about what happened to this car.
Yeah, I think everybody has, haven't they, really? All the usual internet trolls.
But Paul's got it in. Paul's going to do the work on it. It's been approved by the insurance.
We're going to go through insurance with it, yeah. Put the story right to start with. The guy who owns it, Richard, he's had the car from brand new. So obviously over 30 years, he's done many miles in the car. And it was as simple as greasy, wet morning, came off a roundabout, put power down, and it just spat round and it went into Armco. It's as simple as that, nothing more, nothing less.
Just one them. I mean, what miles on it? 50,000?
50,000 from new. So he's done
one time, just came to boost, and unfortunately it's happened. But obviously Paul's going to do the work on it, so we'll, throughout this video you'll see the work that's gone into it to get it back to where it will be at the end.
I think what we were worried about is the amount of bad publicity the car's had on the internet. And again, the usual people who don't really know what they're talking about.
That's it. So Chinese whispers, isn't it?
Yeah, we thought we obviously we'll clear it with the guy that owns it. But if we show you the car pre-accident as it's come, we'll take some more footage of it during the repair, and then some more when it's finished. So you'll be able to see it's been done properly to high standard, all to factory specifications. So it'll look as good as new, and hopefully it won't tarnish the car any more than certain people have already done on the internet. We've obviously only just got it, so it needs to be stripped down to see it fully, but to be quite honest, it looks quite bad, but it actually only does look like
bolt-on stuff, just cosmetics.
Cosmetic was what I was trying to get. You know, your bonnet, your bumpers and things like that, but the chassis looks straight. It looks like it's missed the chassis rail. So by the time we've taken all the damaged bits off, it'll look nowhere. Yeah, look nowhere near. They never do. When you see bits hanging off and bent bits, they always look so bad. So I would think a repair on inner wing, obviously a new outer wing, grille, bumper, headlight.
It still starts and drives at the minute, doesn't it?
Yeah, it starts and runs fine. It's holding all its fluids. I mean, obviously the intercooler looks like it's maybe taking a hit, but I don't think it's anything serious, to be quite honest. It's just cosmetic outer panels and a little bit of damage on the back where it's swung round and hit the Armco, but that'll fix easy enough. So
what will you do with the bumper, Paul? Will you just put a new bumper on?
Yeah, luckily, obviously because of the value of these cars, it's got to be done, it's got to be perfect when it's finished, it's got to be absolutely right. But luckily we've got brand new bumper, splitters, wings, grille, we've got everything brand new on the shelf.
In stock.
And that's why it's come here really, because I've got all the bits it's needed to put it back right, all genuine Ford brand new parts.
It's not a standard car, this, is it? It's been tuned a bit.
It has, apparently. I mean, I can't see under the bonnet because we can't lift it because of the damage, but apparently it's running about 350, 360 horsepower.
I imagine it's pretty easy to catch you out on a damp road.
I think we've all been there. We've all been caught out with a Cosy. No matter how long you've been driving them and how much experience you've got, they'll still bite you, won't they? So
it's a beautiful car as well. Like when you look, it's clean, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, pre-accident. I mean, interior is absolutely mint. Dash is mint. You know, everything that you usually see on them that's rough is absolutely mint.
The dashboard's absolutely perfect.
So hopefully with a bit of luck, the insurance, once we've done the estimate and worked out a costing on it, hopefully they'll just say, yeah, go ahead and
get it fixed.
I'm sure they will, because I know what frightens insurance companies with cars like this is getting the parts. That's what worries them. Where do you get the parts? But luckily Richard, who owns it, has rung me because he knew if anybody had them, I would have them, and I have got, or I can get the bits that I haven't got off friends and contacts I've got that I know I've got a lot of brand new bits, so it'll be right when it's done. That's the main thing.
So what's your plans for it now, Paul? Just get it in with the insurance and get it in and start stripping it?
Yeah, we'll get it in, get the bonnet off and all the the worst bits off it, so we can look at the inner wing, look at any structural damage, see exactly what's needed, and then put an estimate together, send that off to insurance. They'll send an assessor out to have a look at it, and then hopefully we'll get the go ahead and we can start doing repairs. So hopefully, you know, a month, maybe 6 weeks, we'd like to think we'll be fairly well on with it.
Cool.
It's a nice car pre-accident, isn't it?
It is. Poor fella. As
I'll
long
have
as
to-
he's alright then the day, it's a lump of tin, innit?
Yeah.
Are you reckon?
Maybe I haven't moved that too far. Well, whatever it's done, it'll go straight in.
Strub brace might maybe help, do you reckon?
It could have just pushed that over and rolled it over. Don't look too bad, mate.
Nah, like you see, once you get all the wings and smashed bumper and that off,
They never look anywhere near as bad.
smashed headlights.
Like shouts out.
Aye. That's it for now, fellas. I'm in contact with Paul. We're just waiting for the insurance at the minute. Also, this isn't our car, so can you please be a little bit respectful? Like I said, the owner's letting us show you it, and it's just a massively unfortunate accident. Like we said, it's done 50,000 miles, and in 50,000 miles, he's had one accident, just purely just unlucky. So try and be respectful, do you know what I mean? It's an our car, he's letting us show you it. If you want to follow along, don't forget to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, it'll help other people see it. Share it with anyone who might find it interesting, and I'll keep you in the loop of what's going on with it. Cheers fellas, see you soon.